So Murat, what signals should investors look for the identify valuable quantum space business model? And maybe also because you are so much involved in with the United Nations on the trust issues. Well, how can we bring trust in this space? What will be the key elements for it?
Yes, I think one of the options is still to use United Nations. Because today in the world there is only one trusted platform. And of course there are a lot of problems with the budget crisis and so on. And under the umbrella, this could be done, the trust. And another idea is, like was already mentioned by my friend Nicholas, that to create kind of a council of experts who are really well-known and trusted professionals who can write recommendations which could be later implemented through the international organizations. And of course, in the United Nations, there is ITU, for example, also International Telecommunication Union. They could be very much effective in building this trust. Otherwise, if you will give this to the particular countries, particular governments, they will pull on their side all the time, then there will conflict in interest, and you will never get the proper trust. On the other side, to give it to the business community also, then there will be no trust from the government side. That's, I think, the only solution here, international organizations.
And do you think, because the space is so broad, so big, and it's going to be so expandable, do they need to have a specialized agency for that? Because ITU covers telecommunication, AI, it's too much on their plate. What will be your view? Is that a space? You need to create an international space agency in Geneva?
Knowing how United Nations agencies are working, I think better to create something new. Because to reform ITU, for example, is a mission practically impossible. It will take ages, and then we will have in 5 years the new ideas on your sessions, and they will not be able to follow up. That's why, yes, something like International Space Agency in Geneva, for example,